Hello, this is my review on the Airsoft Gi tan G4-18 Carbine. The gun is really nice. It's almost full metal. The only things that aren't metal are the body, grip, and stock. The rest is metal, even the magazine. The gun is really light. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be too. The railing is really nice too. It's the Daniel Defense railing. Stock is a bit wobbly, but that's really all. The gun is semi and full automatic, and it is not ambidextrous, so if you're left-handed, that's bad. The box it came in is a pretty simple box. It didn't come with much but the gun, a cleaning rod, and the magazine. And it doesn't come with that bipod or the red dot sight. This is the sights it comes with. Out of the box, the gun chronoed 440. At least that's what their test said, so I'll take their word for it. I can't do a shooting test until I get the right battery, because the one that I have right now doesn't work. The website says it uses nunchuck batteries, but I'm not really sure. They'd have to be really small. The connector's a mini, and luckily I had that, but it doesn't really matter since I don't have the battery. One thing I didn't really like is that the gun came chipped before I even got it, and that's really annoying since it's $250. But it's not that big of a deal. Overall, it's a really good gun. There are a few things I didn't like the fact that it didn't come with a battery or charger, which was really annoying, and the chip. But the rest of it is good. The gun is really lightweight. Another thing I forgot to mention is that the magazine holds 450 rounds, so that's good. That's all.